Everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to crochet the viral iPhone pocket that everyone is obsessed with. It's super quick, beginner friendly, and you only need a little yarn. So let's make this. So I'm going to use Cotton Delight from Ganga Acro Holds, and this is a weight 3 yarn, and this is 100% cotton yarn, so you can use any yarn as preferred. So I'm using a 4mm crochet hook. Place a slip knot. So now you're going to chain 2. So the first row, you can either chain till you reach about 15 inches, or you can just alternatively start with a foundation half double crochet row. So chain 2, yarn over, go through your first chain, pull up a loop. So I have 3 loops on my hook. So yarn over, pull through 1. So that's my chain, and I have 3 loops. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3. So this is my first half double crochet. So you're going to turn this to the back, and you're going to go. So you're going to go through this chain here, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1. So that's my second chain, and now yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, again you're going to do the same thing, go through that second chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over, pull through 3. So that yarn over, pull through 1, that will act as your chain. So now you can see these chains. So you're going to yarn over, go through the last one, yarn over, pull through again, yarn over, pull through 1, that's my chain, and then yarn over, pull through all 3. So you're going to make about 15 to 16 inches in length. So I'm done with my foundation half double crochet row. Crochet 78 half double crochets, and this measures about 16 inches. So if you want the longer version of this, you can continue with your half double crochets till you reach about 30 to 31 inches, and then you can stop over there. So once you're done with your foundation half double crochet, you're going to chain 1 and then turn your work, yarn over. So now here you have 2 options. So either you can work only in your back loop, so that's this, so you can only work in your back loop, or you can just go through both the loops and work a normal half double crochet. So once you've chained 1 and turned your work, you're going to yarn over and half double crochet in your first stitch. So I'm not going to work in the back loop, I'm going to work through both the loops. So yarn over and I'll pull through all 3 loops on my hook. So that's my first half double crochet, yarn over, half double crochet, so you're going to continue this till you reach the end of the row, and then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to half double crochet in your last stitch, chain 1, turn your work and continue again half double crochet. So I'm going to work this up till I have reached about 1.5 inches. So we have worked about 1.5 inches in width. So now it's time to add the slit in. So that's about 5 rows of half double crochet. So you chain 1, turn your work, so now you're going to crochet 8 half double crochets. So this is my 8th half double crochet. So now you're going to take a stitch marker. So I'm taking about 8 inches. So however big you want the pocket, you can mark it there. And this is going to be my opening. So then you count your stitches in between. I have about 32 stitches. So I'm going to chain 32 now. So I've chained 32. So now you're going to half double crochet. You're going to skip 32 stitches as well. And then half double crochet in the next stitch. And now you're going to continue half double crochet all the way till the end of the row. So we have reached the chains. So now we're going to half double crochet in these back loops of the chain. So yarn over and half double crochet in the back loop. So this is my back loop. So I'm going to go in through these back loops and half double crochet in them. You're going to continue to work your half double crochets in the back loop only till you reach here, and then you're going to continue as normal to work your half double crochets. So we have completed working into the chains. So this side we did around 5 rows of half double crochet. We are going to mirror the same thing on the other side. So our first row is done, so we're going to make another 4 rows of half double crochet. Chain 1, turn our work and continue half double crochet for another 4 rows. Completed my 5 rows, And my front panel is ready. Before we start the back panel, I'm going to work a row of slip stitches only in my front loop. So this is my back loop and this is my front loop. So I'll be working only in this front loop. So one slip stitch into each front loop. If you have been working your iPhone, Pocket, if you've been working your half double crochets only in the back loop from the very first stitch, then you don't have to work this slip stitch row. You can continue with working half double crochets in your back loop till the very end of the panel. But if you have worked half double crochet through both the loops like me, then you follow this row of slip stitches in the front loop. So chain one, turn your work. So now I'm going to go through my front loop only, yarn over, pull through, and then I'm going to pull my second loop through my first loop. That's a slip stitch. So I'm going to continue this and make sure your slip stitches are not too tight. So you're going to continue working your slip stitches in the front loop only till the very end of the row. So I've completed the slip stitch in the front loop only row. So now we're going to chain one, turn your work. So now you're going to yarn over and half double crochet only in the back loop of the slip stitch. So if you turn your work, you'll be able to see your slip stitches. So you're going to half double crochet only in these back loops. So yarn over and go through your back loop and half double crochet. So this row you're going to half double crochet in the back loop only till the very row end. So I've reached the end of the row. So this is my last half double crochet. Chain one, turn my work. So you can see this is folding a bit. So now you're going to continue working as normal. You're going to yarn over and half double crochet through both the loops. So you're going to continue working half double crochets as normal for another 4 rows. Since we have done 5 rows on either sides of the split, we are going to continue the same. We're going to work, this is our first row of half double crochets which we worked in the back loop of that slip stitch, and now we are going to work another 4 more rows of half double crochet and work the slit the same way we worked on the front panel. We have completed those 4 more rows. So now we have a total of 5 for the back panel and 5 from the front panel, plus a slip stitch row which we worked only in the front loop, and then 1 half double crochet row we worked in the back loop only, and then 4 rows of half double crochets normally worked. So you can see this line here. Okay, so now we are going to work this slit. So you're going to chain one. So you're going to chain one, turn your work, yarn over, and half double crochet. It's going to be exactly the same as your previous slit. So you're going to work 8 half double crochets. So we have 8 half double crochets. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 more. So now you're going to chain 32. So you're going to place your half double crochet in your 33rd stitch. So you're going to skip 32 half double crochets. Make sure your chain is not twisted, and make sure you're only skipping 32 chains and not more than that. Continue working your half double crochets till the end of the row. So now you're going to work on your chain stitches, and so you're going to work all your half double crochets in these back little bumps or the back loops of the chain. So we have worked in the chain stitches, and now we are going to work another 4 more rows of half double crochet. We have completed the entire iPhone pocket, so now we're just going to give it some finishing touches. So I finished on the sides. So you're going to fold it. You'll be able to see that slip stitch we did on the outer side. Okay, so now we are going to sew the side and then the top and the bottom. So basically we're going to do slip stitches, chain 1 and finish off. So we're going to start with the back loop on both the sides. Okay, so back loop on this one and back loop on this one. So you're going to go through the back loop on the side panel. Now on the back panel also you're going to go through the back loop, and now yarn over, pull through both and slip stitch. You're going to continue back loop and back loop on both and slip stitch. So back loop on the front and then back loop on the back panel, slip stitch. You're going to continue this. Make sure you're not doing it too tight. This is going to be on the front side, so make sure it is clean. This is how it's going to look. It's going to look exactly like the other side. Yeah, the inside will look like this. So we have slip stitched all the way and it looks exactly same as the other side. Okay, so now we are going to single crochet both the sides. So you want to single crochet on top and single crochet at the bottom. You can single crochet over the tail. So for now I'm just gonna put it behind. You're gonna chain one, and then you're going to go into the first half double crochet here on both the sides. The first one is going to be very easy to go into. You're practically just going into the top of that half double crochets. And you're going to place a single crochet. And then you can see these single chains which we have crocheted across. So we're just going to add single crochets around that. So my next single crochet, I'm just going to go into this here on both the sides. So that's my first half double crochet. I'm going in and putting in one single crochet. This is my second half double crochet row. So I'm just going to go around. So this is the stitch, half double crochet. I'm just going to go around here. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Yeah, and single crochet again. So this is my third row. I'm going to go in there and single crochet again. This is my fourth half double crochet row. Go in, make sure you're going in on the other side as well, and half double crochet, sorry, single crochet. My next half double crochet row, gonna go through, but make sure whatever single crochet number you have on this side is the same number you have on the other side as well. This is my last single crochet row. You can see this small little gap here. Okay, I'm going to chain one. I'm going to cut this off. Make sure to count how many single crochet stitches you have on the side. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have 12 on this side. So make sure you have the same amount on the other side as well. So I'm just going to go in here. Yeah. And then just go on the inside. And then you can turn your pouch. You can weave in your ends however you want. So I'm just going to go in through a couple of stitches. Once you're satisfied with it, you can just cut it off and turn your pouch. So mine's are weaved in on this side, and so now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So the pouch is complete. So let's take some final measurements. So it's 3.5 inches width. Length is 17. And this is the finished pouch. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Take care till the next video.